Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage style farmhouse decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage style farmhouse decor blends rustic charm with timeless elegance, creating a cozy and nostalgic atmosphere. Here are some key elements to achieve this look. First, furniture and layout. Without wood, use reclaimed or distressed wood for furniture like dining tables, cabinets, and shelves. Use antique pieces, incorporate vintage hatches, sideboards, or a farmhouse style trestly table. Open shelving, display antique dishes, glass jars, and rustic decor items. Use color palette, soft neutrals, cream, beige, soft white, and muted pastels work best. Natural accents and warm oud tones, muted greens, and faded blues for contrast. Next, decor and accessories. Antique finds display old clocks, candlesticks, wooden crosses, and vintage sign. Textiles use crochet, lace, or floral print fabrics for table runners, curtains, and throw pillows. Use vintage dishware, showcase enamelware, iron stone, and mason jars in open cabinets. Next, kitchen and dining. Use farmhouse sink. A white porcelain apron front sink enhances the vintage look. Open storage. Use our baskets, glass jars, and wooden cutting boards for display. Classic table setting. Mix and match china, vintage silverware, and linen napkins. Lighting and ambience. Candlelights. A vintage style candlelight with crystals or old iron adds elegance. Lanterns and sconces. Use antique style lanterns, wall sconces, or innocent bulbs for warm lighting. Seasonal touches. Spring and fresh flowers in vintage pictures or messengers. Fall pumpkins, plate throws, and dried fruit bundles. Winter decorate with old-fashioned garlands and cozy knits. Here are some vintage style farmhouse decor tips to help you create a cozy and timeless space. Choose a soft, neutral color palette. Stick to warm whites, soft creams, beige, and muted pastels to create a vintage feel. Add tipped with edged out tones, faded blues, and soft greens for a lived-in look. Mix old and new pieces. Combine antique finds with modern farmhouse pieces to balance the vintage charm with functionality. Use reclaimed wood furniture, vintage hatches, or an old farmhouse table for character. Use vintage-style textiles, add lace, crochet, or floral print fabrics for a nostalgic touch. Use crates like pillows, ruffled curtains, and handmade coins to enhance coziness. Decorate with antique accessories, display old clocks, with picture frames, enamel and vintage themes. Hang an antique mirror or distressed window frame as wall decor. Incorporate messengers, metal canisters, and wooden crackers for storage and style. Add classic farmhouse lighting. Use iron candelabras, vintage style sconces, and Edison bulb pendants for warm lighting. A rustic lantern or oil lamps can add charm to a side table or mantel. Repurpose and time for authenticity. Turn an old wooden ladder into a blanket rack. Use a vintage door as a headboard or wall art. Repurpose antique crates as storage bins or side tables. Display vintage dishware and kitchenware. Use open shelving to showcase iron stone dishes, glass jars, and vintage teapots. Hang copper pots, enamel and rustic cutting boards in the kitchen. Display an old farmhouse scale or bread box for extra charm. Bring nature indoors. Decorate with fresh or dried flowers in vintage pictures or vases. Use wicker baskets, wooden bowls, and potted herbs for a rustic, natural feel. Keep it cozy and lifting. Lay soft throw blankets on sofas and chairs. Add candle lanterns, old books, and distressed furniture to create a welcoming space. Choose handmade or time-worn items to enhance authenticity. Vintage style farmhouse decor blends the warmth of rustic elements with the charm of antique details. It is all about mixing old and new while keeping the space cozy, inviting, and functional. Here is a detailed breakdown to help you perfect the look. Key elements of vintage farmhouse decor: edged and feathered finishes. Use distressed or chippy paint furniture to create an authentic time-worn look. Opt for whitewashed, reclaimed wood, or edged metal accents for added character. A soft muted color palette. Stick to neutral tones like cream, white, beige, and soft gray. Add gentle touches of pale blues, greens, or faded pastels for a vintage touch. Incorporate warm wood tones to balance the cool neutrals. Vintage and antique finds. Hunt for old wooden furniture, antique cabinets, or vintage kitchenware, and flower markets or thrift stores. Display old clocks, iron stone dishes, and messengers for nostalgic charm. Vintage farmhouse furniture and decor. Furniture with character. Farmhouse tables, a large sturdy wooden dining table with a distressed finish. Hutches and sideboards. Use vintage hutches to display dishes, linens, or collectibles. Cozy setting. Sleep-covered sofas, spindle-back chairs, and overstuffed armchairs. old books and old leather, stacked antique books on coffee tables or shelves, vintage mirrors and frames. Use only or voided mirrors for wall decor. Ladders and crates repurpose wooden ladders as blanket racks and old crates as storage. Textiles for softness, crochet and lace. Use lace table runners, crochet pillow covers, and vintage tireless. Use floral and ticking stripe patterns. Incorporate this in curtains, cushions, and tablecloths. Layered rugs. Layered natural fiber rug, jute or wool, with vintage Persian or floral area rugs. Vintage farmhouse kitchen decor, open shelving, display antique dishes, cutting boards, and glass canisters. Farmhouse sink, apron front sinks, with old-fashioned buckets, enhance the vintage feel. Vintage storage use our baskets, metal canisters, and wooden bread boxes for an old, charming touch. Enamel and ironstone. Collect with ironstone pictures, enamel bowls, and blue and white dishes. Hanging pots and utensils. Install a wall-mounted pot rack for copper pots and wooden spoons. Vintage farmhouse bedroom decor, iron or wooden bed. A old iron or antique wooden bed frame adds a nostalgic feel. Soft bedding is ruffled, dusted cover, floral quilts, and linen sheets for coziness. Antique dressers and nightstands. Look for furniture with carved lines, distress paint, or vintage knobs. Vintage lighting. Table lamps with linen shades, antique candelabras or wall sconces. Vintage farmhouse living room ideas. Use slip-covered sofas and turn chairs. White or beige slip covers create a classic, inviting look. Old trunks or coffee tables use antique chest or wooden crates for storage and charm. Mantle decor. Adorned with windows, candlesticks, wooden frames, and dried flowers. Cozy throws and pillows, layered with knitted or crocheted blankets for warmth. Adding vintage farmhouse charm with tie and upcycling. Distressed old furniture. Sand to paint old wooden pieces for a chip-edged look. Repurpose vintage items. Turn an old chair into a headboard or a wooden ladder into a shelf. Vintage style farmhouse decor blends old world charm with cozy simplicity, using time-worn elements, soft colors, and antique finds to create a warm and welcoming home. This style celebrates history while maintaining a practical and lived-in feel. Core principles of vintage farmhouse decor: embrace imperfection. Vintage farmhouse decor trips on ordered wood, chipped paint, and rustic finishes. It is about embracing furniture and decor with a lived-in look rather than a polished modern aesthetic. Blend old and new elements. Pair antique pieces with modern farmhouse essentials to keep the space functional and stylish. Use vintage furniture to stress old and repurpose decor alongside modern conveniences. Must have vintage farmhouse furniture. Kitchen and dining room. Farmhouse table. A large wooden dining table with turned legs or a trestle base. Open shelving. Display antique dishes, messengers, and rustic pottery. Freestanding hutches. Store and showcase vintage kitchenware. Apron front silk. A classic farmhouse silk enhances vintage charm. Vintage-style farmhouse decor combines rustic simplicity with nostalgic charm, using earthen texture, antique-inspired beaches, and soft, cozy elements. This style creates a warm, lived-in feel reminiscent of countryside homes from the past. Vintage farmhouse decor is all about creating a cozy, welcoming space that feels timeless. By combining ordered old antique accents, soft fabrics, and rustic charm, you can achieve a home filled with history and character. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.